This is the thinnest rugged phone on the market right now, and we're going to unbox it. We're going to take a look at it to check out the specs and what the software looks like. So let's get into it. All right, so there it is. This is nice and beautiful. It has a really cool aesthetic design. Has kind of this like electronic futuristic look here, which is like a really premium decal, really fun look. And the edge has this really strong grip as you go along the edge there. Really premium feel as you run your finger along the edge here. Premium etching here. You've got your volume up, volume down, and your power button that will also serve as a fingerprint sensor. And on the other side here, you have your SIM card tray at the top. And then here you have a programmable button that you can set to launch different actions or apps, which is pretty cool. And then at the very top here, you have your Type-C charging port. Now, it does have a cover over it as well, which comes in handy given that you can take this phone and record underwater, which is great. It does come with a screen protector, which is great. And the exterior is so rugged, you really wouldn't even need to buy a case for it. I mean, it is just ready to go. If we just take a look at how thin it is, here's my Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and pretty interesting. It's only a hair thicker, but again, it has that really thick exterior around it for protection. So this is obviously a phone you would not take around without a case. And this, basically, you wouldn't need a case because of how durable and how strong the rubber is. Just to show you a close-up on that rubber here, those edges basically is like the case is built into the design of the phone, so therefore you don't even need a case for it. Let's move this to the side for a moment here, and let's take a look at what's in the box here. So we are going to get a charging brick, which most companies don't come with anymore, full-size USB, our charging cable as well. And when you lift this out, it does have an additional screen protector as well. So if the original one that comes on the box gets damaged, you have one more you can put on, which is great. You have some info on your warranty. There's also some screen protector accessories as well in terms of cleaning the phone too, so love that. Here's a quick rundown of the specs of the phone. It does have an 11mm ultra thin body. It is running Android 14. Screen size is going to be 6.56 inches. HD plus 90 Hz IPS water drop screen. 20 gigabytes of RAM, DDR4, which is awesome. 256 gig storage with a Spreadstrom T606 Octa-core 1.6 gigahertz processor. And that battery, 5,150 milliamp large battery. Also has NFC built in as well. All right, let's take a look at that software. I did program my fingerprint already with it, so nice and quick fingerprint reader. Does also have facial recognition as well for unlock. Phone is moving lightning fast. Obviously that 20 gigs of RAM. Wanted to point out a couple of notable things I saw in the software. So swiping over twice, you've got this underwater mode here, which is great. You can take it, right in the water with you and record video with that mode. I've already got the programmable button set up for a few commands, so check this out. Tapping it one time will launch my YouTube music. Double tapping it, I have it set up to launch YouTube. And then lastly, a long hold will actually launch my flashlight. So definitely love that feature there. So if you go into the settings and you just go to Smart Key, this is where you can make changes to those three different commands. So one press, two press, and a long hold. So definitely love that. This phone is packed with features, and it's a really great phone for people who, one, tend to work in really hardcore environments, whether it be construction or mining or any type of outdoor activity type of work. This is such a great phone to have because it's just a super durable, rugged phone. I would even say for those of you looking for a phone for a parent or grandparent, it's also a great phone because they tend to drop their phones a lot too. And so because it, has that extra bumper of protection and that nice screen protector, You really don't have to buy them anything else but the phone, and it's going to be good to go. It's going to be able to handle those drops and those spills. If you want to learn more about this phone, definitely click the link in the description to get to the page on Amazon. I just want to show you as well. Retail price is going to be $279. That's as of today. But they are offering a coupon. So if you click on the link in the description and you go to the coupon right underneath the price and you check that box, it will drop the price $50 and it'll take it down from $279 to $229. So obviously that is while supplies last. So if this phone excites you and you're in the market for a new phone and you're also someone who either works in a very rugged environment or you just tend to drop your phone a lot, I would tell you jump on this deal while it is available. Thank you to DOOGEE for sending me the phone to be able to get a first look at it and just feel it in hand. Definitely let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below if you are in the market for a new phone and if you would consider this one now that you've seen it up close. Thanks again for watching. Take care, and as always, have a good one.